Welcome ladies and gents. This particular machine I'm standing next to here is our 3-in-1. It is an actual shear press, pan brake and slip roll. Okay, so those three items here, ladies and gents, are controlled off the one wheel. The one wheel controls all three parts of the machine, and those parts are as follows. Underneath this little protective hood here, okay, which will remain down if using any other parts of the machine, is our slip rolling area, so we can actually roll, bend or shape forms a piece of sheet metal. Down in this section here, ladies and gents, is our actual pan brake, where we can actually bend up to 90 degrees. Down below that is our shears or our guillotine area. So ladies and gents, this particular part is extremely sharp. This particular machine is a one-person operating machine. You do not have multiple people using the machine at one time. Because all three parts are moving at one stage using the wheel, pinch points are very, very severe hazard on this machine. How the machine works. Basically, ladies and gents, by rotating the wheel, all of the parts of the machine do rotate or move in some fashion, and the part we're going to be showing you first is the guillotine. So by turning the actual handle, the actual guard will actually come up at the base here so we can feed our material in and underneath. Where you do it, up to you. You do it up the far end here, guys, you may have to cycle the wheel a lot more to get the desired motion, all right, before it will actually contact. So coming up about midsection there, guys, there is a slight gap behind the actual guard to the blade. Slight gap between the actual guard to the blade. You'll be able to see your scribe line down through that actual mark there, lining it up with the actual bed. So when you look down, you'll see your line and you'll see the edge of your bed. You line it up to there. There's no need to allow for material or extra material. Okay, it cuts like a knife. All right. So guys, from that position there, we'll actually turn our wheel, okay, pulling it towards ourselves. Try not to go backwards with it. Always just keep cycling in a clockwise direction. Okay, so coming down, the guard will come down and clamp. As you continue, the machine will then just pinch off the material. Keep coming till the guard actually retracts back up, and you're about to remove your material. And there's your off-cut piece at the back of the machine, okay? The plastic that's on this material, keep it intact, okay? Keep it intact for this particular task, all right? You'll be instructed further about that material as we go. Sweet with that? Okay. So the other side here, guys, we're going to take off our 15mm. So lining up our position, okay, in that area. Now, guys, don't put multiple pieces along that length. One piece at a time and cut. What will end up happening if you line up a heap, it'll start to skew and pull your material around. So you cut one at a time. So coming down with your wheel, come down till it clamps, two hands, drive it through, all the way till it clears again. And we'll have our little pieces cut off.